In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store receipts in QuickBooks Online, whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for your household. Keeping track of your receipts is crucial for maintaining accurate records. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to ensure all your receipts are securely stored in QuickBooks Online. First, you'll start by opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the sign in page where you can access your QuickBooks account. When the sign in page loads, you'll need to choose the QuickBooks Online option from the available services. It's important to ensure you're using the correct platform, as QuickBooks offers several different products. Once you're sure you're on the right page, you can proceed to the next step. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Carefully type in your username and password. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is essential, so avoid storing them in unsecured places. After entering your credentials, click on the Continue button. This will lead you into your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Transcription tab. This can be a little tricky if you're new to QuickBooks Online, as there are several tabs to choose from. You'll find the Transcription tab by looking at the menu options at the top of your page. Clicking on it will take you to the Receipt Management area. With the Transcription tab open, the next action is to click on Receipts. By selecting this option, you'll gain access to the section designated for uploading and managing your receipts. This is where you'll store your documents for easy retrieval and organization. Now, you'll see the option to upload receipts. Click on it to begin the upload process. A new window will appear, providing you with the opportunity to browse through your computer files to select the receipts you want to save in QuickBooks Online. Once you've found the receipts on your computer, click on the Select Files button. This action allows you to choose the specific files you've located that need to be uploaded. Remember, you can upload multiple receipts at once for convenience. After selecting your files, QuickBooks will handle the rest, uploading and storing them for future access. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully stored your receipts in QuickBooks Online. Storing receipts digitally not only saves physical space, but also makes it much easier to track and manage your finances. Remember to regularly upload new receipts to keep your records up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.